Hello, hello. Hello, everybody. This is Rupali, and I am starting a new YouTube channel for my coaching and also to share a lot of things that I think are very common sense, but it also could be something that is useful to others from my own experiences and also coming from a lot of my interest in psychology, astrology, and different things, pretty much music, you name it, and even photography. So I'm trying to gonna I'm gonna try to bring all this together somehow and share some tips and ideas which can help you in your future to make decisions, to gain clarity, and anything that I feel like is something which is of value that I can provide here. So do subscribe to my channel and make sure you keep a lookout for all the exciting ideas that I am ready to share.